Hey guys, so I left you in the last episode as I was trying to get around those two brand new betas. See, I kind of sneak around one right here, and this other one I followed for a bit. And if you watch for a minute, we get up to this hill climb. It's like an entire sheet of coal, and a bunch of people had trouble with it. It was just tough to get good traction or a good run at it, and you kind of see him having issues. He shoots off to the left there, and I was really scared that he was going to roll straight back into me, so keep an eye out for that here in a second.
Why am I pulling in the clutch? I'm just wasting energy. Whoa. Yep, somebody pulled that out.
This was a sight for sore eyes, guys. One of the only other Kawasaki two-strokes. I had seen it all out there that day, and another 03 to 07 gen to boot. So I had to give him a yell.
to. Need to quit that.
Alright guys, well if you've made it this far, you've made it to the end of the line. This is where my GoPro stopped recording. It actually went a lot longer than I thought it would. So I think these new Hero 8s are a little easier on battery power than the 5, 6, and 7 were. But anyway, I would go on to finish this lap. I knew I was in third at the beginning of this lap. I'm pretty sure one of those betas was in my class, because I got around them and I came around in this lap, at the end of this lap, and I was in second. and didn't know if I was getting one more lap or two, or really where we were on time. So I decided not to do the GoPro swap and just push for the win. So come around this lap, I'm in second, I'm pushing, my hands are like to the point of bleeding. It's just not something I do very often. And to make the long story short, I would come around the next lap and it said I was in first. And that freaking pumped me up. I still have the rock garden in the back of my head because I did have some issues with it on lap 2 or 3. But ended up getting through it, not too bad. Once I get through the rock garden, I get my foot pegs stuck in some old guide wire that was on the side of the trail, and so did the guy in front of me. And come to find out, a bunch of other people did too, so that was kind of sketchy. But yeah, ended up holding it together and took the win in the 30C, guys. I would end up finishing 30th overall of 133 riders, so I was pumped considering this was my second ever woods race and my first, semi-serious woods race. So if you made it this far, you're truly appreciated. Thanks for riding with me, and we've got a lot of events planned for this summer, so expect a lot of video uploads. And rock on, throttle down. See you in the next one.